Hey guys, my name is Kwok and I am an intern working remotely in Paris. Today I'm going to try and show you guys what I spend all of my money on. Spoiler alert, it's mostly food and bubble tea and food. Honestly, whenever I get a bubble tea and I work, I feel so happy and motivated, which is cool because the place that I'm going next, wink wink hint hint, is gonna be full of bubble tea. I used to go on these massive grocery hauls where I would buy so much stuff that I didn't need because I thought I might need it, so I kept this down to the basics. Bonsoir.
I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown.
This is one of my favorite streets to cycle down. So many restaurants, so lively. I just got home. I had a super nice day today. I still got some prep work on my interview to do, so I'm gonna make a lime/lemon soda because it's warm today. And I'm gonna go to the co-working space and finish my evening. And I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, that's really good. Good morning, guys. Today is gonna be a higher spending day because I have afternoon tea plans and also dinner plans. I'm gonna try and make breakfast at home and lunch at home as well. We're at about 9 o'clock right now. Oat milk, of course. Hi guys! We're gonna make lunch at home, which of course, free. Lunchtime, everyone! I really love cooking for myself. It's like a peaceful break in the middle of the day. I've had a pretty good day of work, so I'm gonna head out to afternoon tea with my cousin Adeline. I'm gonna take a Velib bike, but this time I'm taking an electric one, the blue one. We're here in Paris with Adeline.
Yeah, finally, the cousins in Paris. That is the Eiffel Tower. Would you look at that? Any other fun facts about Paris that you'd like to share with us? Crane?
There is a life.
Wow. In Paris, they speak French. Fun fact. I thought you had a good sense of humor. It has downgraded since I last saw you.
Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on.
We're gonna go to dinner tonight with my friend Luca. I've walked over here. It was like a 20-minute walk. Walking is a really good way for me to explore the city, so I do it sometimes. Off we go get some good food. At the entrance, they had a sign that said, "This is not a strip club." Uh-oh.
We are at the cool place that I forgot the name of. Pink Manor. Merci.
Got one to share just in case we didn't like it.
I was pineapple.
It just tastes like pineapple juice.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's like a mocktail.
Yeah, my butt's sweating from sleep.
Step up. I look so tiny.
Can't see anything.
One, give us an Instagram girl. Lucas paid for dinner tonight, which was super nice. And the food was so freaking good. To top off a pretty perfect day, we're gonna go swing dancing.
5, 6, 7, hey!
Today is interview day, so I've set my laptop up next to my window and I've just gotten myself an interview snack because we're 2 hours in and 2 hours to go. Just had a really nice lunch. I feel like I had the best seat in the house because I was overlooking the road. This is the street that made me fall in love with this neighborhood when I first came to Paris and think I need to live close to this street. Now I live in the neighborhood. So gorgeous. It's the afternoon now and I have one more meeting for the day and then I'm gonna be editing a video to upload for you guys. 请问可以做小冰吗？好，可以。谢谢。We are in Jardin du Palais Royal, next to the fountain. One of my favorite locations to drink bubble tea is here. Spend a whole afternoon here, which is my plan. My mom got back from holiday yesterday. She's visiting me in Paris. I decided to take her to do something cute, something fun.
Yes, very hot. 你喜欢哪几个？再想我再做一个这个。
这个？
对呀。
Yeah, good idea. 这是什么？发夹吗？
像蝴蝶结那样。
We're getting this for dessert, which is €2.50. Of course, I love spending my money on new experiences. So today we're going to a swing event. It's a ball that lasts all night long. It costs €20. There's a live orchestra. I'm gonna have fun. Look, I'm wearing a cute top, cute skirt. Let's go. It is bright outside. Well, it's gloomy, but guys, we did it. We made it through the entire night. Cheers! Rating out of 5. 4, 5. All right, guys, it's time for the daily and weekly totals. This is how much I spent every single day on average, and this is how much I spent over the week. I just multiplied by 7, 241.8 euros. That's not bad. Then I calculated some of my recurring spendings. This is how much I pay per month for all my recurring spendings. I added those on, and on average a week, I spend 263.2 euros. I really did treat myself this week because this is not a small amount of money. I definitely did go out quite a lot and treat myself this week, so here we are. This video was so fun to make. I experimented around with some graphics and some different editing styles, which I hope you guys like. Thank you so much for being here as always, and I'm super stoked that I'm making more YouTube videos more regularly now, and I hope you are too. So I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.